Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to import and export data in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the Contacts option. Next, in this new tab, click on this four-lined burger icon at the far right of your screen to view all of your contacts in a list form. Next, choose all the contacts you want to export by clicking on the box at the far left of each contact. Or if you want to select all, click on the box next to the name label. Next, move to the far right of your screen and click on Actions. Then click Export from the drop-down menu. This pop-up will appear where you will check the box next to the I want to update data prompt. Next, check the box for your preferred export format. It can be XLSX or CSV format. Next, under the Available Fields section, click on the plus icon next to all the data you want to add before you finally export your file. And then click on Export at the bottom of this pop-up tab. And once it's done exporting, this pop-up at the top right corner will appear. Next, to import your records, go back to your contacts and click on the gear icon next to the contacts. Click Import Records from your drop-down menu, and in this new page, click on Upload Data File, then go through your computer for the file you want to upload. Lastly, check the details of your file before finally importing it to your Odoo. And once you're done checking, click on Import at the top left corner. And that is how you can import and export data in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.